Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to add text in CapCut like a pro. First, copy the text you want to use from the ChatGPT app and connect to a secure VPN if needed. Open CapCut and adjust your clips. Then, paste the text you copied from ChatGPT into the text section. Next, click on the text and go to the Style section. Add your favorite colors, then go to Glow and apply a glow effect. After that, open Google and search for Love Voice. Paste your text there one by one, generate your favorite voice, and download the audio. Import the audio into CapCut and match it with your clips. You can adjust the speed to around 0.6x if needed. Now, go to Effects, open the Combo category, and add the Flash Zoom effect. Then, go to Sounds and choose a background sound that matches your video. Finally, export your video. Your edit is now complete. This is the moment Obito's life changed forever. After Rin's death, he lost hope and chose a dark path. For more editing tips and tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.